welcome back. So today's video is going to be a cook with me. Now this was a recipe from HelloFresh, but I have since kind of done my own thing. So this is the saucy pork and penne casserole with mozzarella cheese and spinach. It's basically like pasta with like a pork sausage and spinach and mozzarella, but it's a hot pasta dish that you cook. I wanted to show you what it might look like in a skillet. Pasta, cheese, and spinach. I am not a spinach eater, but for some reason I like this. So let's go ahead and do it. All I did so far is I put a box of Ronzoni Garden Delight veggie pasta. We're kind of on a health kick here. Into some boiling water. So that's cooking. And in the meantime, I'm going to show you the other ingredients I have. Of course, I have the low sodium marinara. This one is by the Silver Palette, but it can just be any old marinara. You could even get marinara with meat or do a meat sauce or use leftover pizza sauce, whatever you have. And then I'm throwing in a little bit of Athena's feta cheese because I just have like a tiny bit. And it was just like, you know, not much. A bag of low moisture part skim mozzarella cheese that's shredded, salt and pepper, 1 white onion, some garlic, and Italian seasoning. In this recipe, they used something they called Tuscan heat spice, which I don't know what that was, so I'm like not gonna worry about it, and olive oil. So I'm boiling the pasta, as I said, and I'm just going to add some olive oil into this casserole dish. This is a Pampered Chef deep covered baker, I think is what they call it. It's pretty big. Put down the spinach really quick in a skillet with some olive oil, just to get it kind of wilted just a little bit, and the pasta will also be pre-cooked, so once I actually put it in here to bake in the oven, it's going to be a pretty fast process. And then for the meat, I am lazy, and today all I have is the Jimmy Dean fully cooked turkey sausage patties. You could totally use like, you know, real like ground pork and make like a nice sausage, but these are what I have. So I'm just gonna cut these up into some little cubes and throw those in. But again, these are fully cooked as well. So like literally you're gonna have cooked pasta, cooked spinach, cooked sausage. And so you throw it in here to bake for, you know, 20 minutes in the oven, but it's really just like melting all the cheese and making it hot and ooey gooey. So you could serve it with salad and garlic bread, some wine, be a good meal. So let's go ahead and get olive oil, new bottle. This says washed and ready to eat, so I'm just throwing it right in. And you think this is a lot of spinach, but once it starts shrinking down, cooking down, it really isn't much at all. I'll give that a few minutes with the lid on, and it's on medium heat, and just kind of let it shrink down a little bit with the lid, and I'll check in. The oven is preheating to 375. Putting the spinach in there, just tearing up the sausage into little pieces, and then I'm going to add salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning as much as you like, and almost an entire jar of spaghetti sauce because it's yummy. Salt, pepper, Italian seasoning. And you want to watch from the house. 4 sausage patties, like 2/3 of a box of pasta, an entire bag of spinach, all those seasonings, and then I add an entire bag of cheese almost. And then if you have chopped onions, chopped garlic, whatever else you like, you can totally add them. Some mozzarella. This is what it looks like, and I go ahead and put it in the oven for about 15-20 minutes just to kind of melt the cheese. You can add more meat if you like more meat, but that's it. So here is the dish, and it is just ooey gooey cheesy pasta, pork, spinach. Doesn't it look good? and then some of these garlic breadsticks next to it. It's gonna make a good dinner. That is my super easy, lazy girl, Italian pasta, mozzarella, whatever sausage dish. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.